Son of a Jew enters the realm of Islam. A Jew said to his son, "Go to the bazaar and buy some household things." He left, but as he was passing by, his eyes fell on the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the Prophet's eyes fell on the boy. The effect of his gaze was so great that the boy sat there and sat for a long time. That Jew would sometimes go in, sometimes come out to find out where the boy was, hadn't come yet. The sun has set now. When the boy came home in the evening, the father asked, "Oh foolish! Why the delay?" The father was very angry that he was a very ignorant and crazy child. He told him to come quickly, but he took so long. He said, "You were sent to buy things and you returned empty-handed. Where the things are? Where the things are?" The son said, "I have already bought the things." "Father, are you a crazy man? I sent you to get things, you don't have anything and you say I have bought." The son said, "Oh father, the things have been bought." The father said, "So where the things are?" The son said, "I have already bought the things." "Father, are you a crazy man? I sent you to get things, you don't have anything and you say I have bought." The son said, "Oh father, the things have been bought." The father said, "So where the things are?" The son said, "I wish you had that eyes to see what the things I bought." "Dad, what can I tell you, what things have I bought?" The father said, "Don't say this now." Then the boy joined the company of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, every day. He was the only son of Jew. He was very loving, so his father said nothing. A few days later the boy fell ill, and remained ill for many days. He became so ill that it became difficult to take a crotch due to weakness, and then he almost died. The Jew was very upset. He ran away and came to the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and said, "I have come to you, you know that I am a Jew, I do not agree with you, but my son is your follower. He is ill and is about to die. He is remembering you day and night. Is it possible that you would like to come to your enemy's home and see your lover at a glance? Will this wish come true, that he will see you before he dies? He is not wishing for anything else." The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said to his companions, "Come with me and go to see our lover, follower. It's his last time in the world, we want to give him something before he closes his eyes, let's go." The boy's eyes were closed when they reached the Jew's house. All the grace of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is elegance. He placed his blessed hand on the boy's forehead. The boy's eyes opened as if life had returned. There was strength in the body and youth in the weakness. He opened his eyes.